Hello, my name is Brian Montes. My nationality is Colombian. I am from Bogota. I am 22 years old. I am administrative assistant in EPS Sanitas. I am studying health administration. I speak in Spanish. I like to dance. I game video game. What were you doing last Christmas? Last Christmas, I working in my house until 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Then tidying my room of the living room. I went to my girlfriend's house and her family began to arriving for the chat. We cooking the dinner for everyone and later open gift, later burning gunpowder and wishing the Christmas my parents and my brother for fun. Also, we dancing, sing and listening the music of December. We drink beer and whiskey and finally sleeping in the rooms. Recipe egg arepa 2 for person. Ingredients: 1 pound flour, the maize pre-cooked, water hot, 1 pinch the color, salt, sugar, 4 eggs, and quarter oil. To start with the preparation of the dough, to add 1 cup the hot water, salt, sugar, and bits of the color. It's good. Then ingredients 10 to and 10 1 pound flour the maize pre-cooked. We can good wind the hands. It earphone bolts on safe sign for later for the arepas will help them all. Once done, the arepas with her the all lit for the free time. Free for 3 minutes, then wait, take all and cool. Next with the cane to cut apart of the arepas and finally to eat and again free for 2 minutes. After that, we take in out enjoy of the egg arepa.